UMI SMOG. They have transformed their shop into a drive-through service within just a week's span. And Ahmed, the general manager here at UMI SMOG, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
We're doing great. Thank you for having us. Okay, so why did you transform your shop into a drive-through?
We wanted to keep our employees safe and our customers comfortable. During this COVID experience, it's very important to make sure we stay in business and that our customers are comfortable during their experience, especially considering the DMV being closed right now. This was nothing less than a great idea.
How long did it take you to do?
It took about a week. To do, and it was definitely different. Nobody in San Diego is doing that right now, so we decided to be the first in California actually to have a drive-through registration service. It's typically 5 to 10 minute time frame.
So what services can people get done here?
As simple as a renewal, renewing your tags, doing a title transfer, replacing your plates if you lost any plates. We do it all.
Okay, so you can drive up, you see the arrows here on the floor. You never really have to get out of your car.
Correct. We have our customers come in through their first gate over there, and they drive up to window 1. We have arrows guiding them to window 1 where they present us their paperwork, and we give them a quote and take payment there, and then we guide them to the next windows for their tags on the spot.
Okay, and you said that you were offering our service members discounts. Talk about that.
We're offering currently all individuals affected by COVID-19 25% off, and all members of the military and first responders an additional 10% off on top of that 25%.
You have more shops. Is this the only UMI drive-through?
This is the only drive-through that we have in San Diego, but we have 4 locations. We have 2 in the College area, 1 off of College Avenue. We also have 1 in La Mesa, and we opened 1 in Lemon Grove as well.
Ahmed, thank you so much. This is a great thing you're doing, and stay safe. It's a great place to social distance yourself, you guys, and it's a drive-through. You don't really ever have to get out of your car. It's safe, your social distance at UMI SMOG, and the address is 3845 University Avenue, and we're going to send it back to you guys and have more in just a little bit, but I want Kevin to take a look at this sunset. It is getting so pretty right now.
Sunrise. Sunset.
That was beautiful.
Yes.
Man.
Love those
Good way
colors.
to start a Tuesday. Thanks, Casey. Appreciate it.